Hi, Chris Mc Loone here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Welcome to this installment of our Manufacturer Showcase video series. As you can see, I'm here today at Federal Signal. Who does not know the sound of a Federal cue coming down the street? It's synonymous with fire apparatus. But what many may not realize is that Federal Signal produces a whole host of products that help us responding to the scene, at the scene, and returning from the scene as safely as possible. So we got a lot of ground to cover today. We're going to be taking a look at the company's culture, its mission. So without any further ado, let's get rolling. I'm here now with Pat Odo. He's the Director of Manufacturing here at Federal Signal. And Pat, when we talk about the breadth of products that come out of this facility and the number of them, we talk about the manufacturing aspects of it. What is, in terms of manufacturing, what is Federal Signal's mission?
Well, our mission here obviously is to build a quality product because we realize that our first responders depend on our products to get them to an emergency scene safely. So here at University Park, Illinois, all of our employees really focus on the design, the building, and the testing of our products because we know we want to make a world-class product.
Well, we're out on the manufacturing floor now. Pat, what is the workstation that we're in front of now?
Sure. This is our manufacturing work cell for our cue sirens. It's one of the most recognizable, legendary Federal Signal products. We've actually been building the cue sirens going all the way back to 1951. It's got a signature sound that we actually trademarked, as a matter of fact, because it's so recognizable in the industry. As a matter of fact, we have a saying here is that it's not a fire truck unless it's got a cue siren.
So with the number of products that are coming out of here, you need a lot of people to get that out. Why don't you talk to me a little bit about the workforce here at Federal Signal?
Well, here at Federal Signal, we have a very experienced and flexible union workforce. As a matter of fact, the average tenure is 16.3 years. So that's incredible because we have a lot of product knowledge. So what we also like doing is we place a high emphasis on cross-training our employees to make sure we have that flexibility and agility to ensure that we're meeting our customer needs.
Okay, now we're in the light lab here at Federal Signal, and I am here with Paul Gergetz. He's the Vice President of Engineering. In terms of engineering, what would you say the mission of Federal Signal is?
Well, our mission is to work with our key customers in the marketplace. Our marketing team works with them, develops a new product development roadmap, and then we develop products from concept through production. Those products are primarily used to get emergency responders to and from scenes, and we use new technologies, state-of-the-art technologies to accomplish that.
And getting into some of those technologies and innovations, have there been any particular product innovations, through the years that have had a pretty broad impact on the marketplace?
There have. Federal Signal has many technologies that we've utilized. We have a Solaris optic technology, which is an optical design technology that allows us to have high efficiency optics. We have Rock technology, which is a very low cost way of manufacturing some of our lighting products. We also have patents on some of our key products. Our Valor light bar, our Vision light bar have patents for the shape. So there have been products in the marketplace that had quite a bit of an impact.
Well, getting back to what we were talking about before with the breadth of products that comes out of this facility, what type of quality assurance measures do you have in place?
Well, we're an ISO 9001-2015 certified facility. So all of our products go through extensive product testing, all the way through the design phase, all the way through the assembly phase as well. So what we try to impress to all of our people is that our products save lives, and that really resonates with them. Here at Federal Signal, we put our products through rigorous quality testing to simulate worst-case user environments. We do testing such as aggressive vibration, we do temperature extremes below 40 degrees and over 170 degrees Fahrenheit. We also do high humidity as well as dunk testing. And we also accelerate life testing, just to name a few. We always are here to serve our customer needs, and we want to make the product improvements as part of our ongoing continuous improvement approach.
So the product that I have on display here is our mechanical cue siren. Our cue siren is a trademark product of Federal Signal. We actually have a trademark on the product which allows us to be the only ones in the world to produce it and to manufacture the type of tone that the siren creates. We test our products prior to production in this chamber The anechoic chamber allows us to get sound in 360 degrees from the source that we have, the siren source. We measure that at about 3 meters, and we verify that we meet the industry standards for the product. And the purpose of the industry standards is to ensure that our products do not interfere with other products on an emergency vehicle, and to make sure their products don't interfere with ours. All right, next to me is a gyneometer, and what this does is it allows us to take the product and rotate it 360 degrees in 2 planes. At the very end of the tunnel there is a sensor, and the sensor picks up the total light output at various angles. One of the other tools that we have in our light lab is we have an integrating sphere. The purpose of the integrating sphere is to help us determine the total light output that a device emits. It also allows us to determine the color temperature of the product.
Now I'm with Joe Bader. He is the Vice President and General Manager of Public Safety Systems here at Federal Signal. Joe, what would you say is the mission of Federal Signal from your perspective?
Our business is here to help firefighters get to where they need to be, safely and quickly. It's pretty much that simple. Keep those vehicles on the road and keep those firefighters getting to where they need to be.
What would you say Federal Signal does best?
I can't say there's any one thing, but we definitely feel we excel at our service and support side of the business as we've grown that. But overall, our testing, our product designs, and the service support model are kind of an all-encompassing model that I think we have to do all of them very well.
Well, this brings us to the end of this edition of our Manufacturer Showcase series. Again, I've been out at Federal Signal today at the University Park headquarters, University Park, Illinois. If you'd like any information on any Federal Signal products, just go to www.fedsig.com. Again, this has been Chris Mc Loone with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Have a good one and stay safe.